Happy Mother's Day! Hello friends, do you know what is today? Friends, today is Mother's Day and I'm planning some surprise for my mom. First, I'll make a card. Let's start. Friends, card is ready. Now let's go for another mission. Friends, so my mom is not at my home, so I'm gonna make sandwich for my mom because my mom loves sandwich. For the sandwich, we need Thousand Island and salt and black pepper and lettuce, cucumber, and tomato and bread. Oh, I forgot to mention tomato sauce. Put some tomato sauce on the bread. Now we'll apply Thousand Island. Let's put some tomato and cucumber. Now I will add pepper and salt. We'll put lettuce on top of it. Now I'm gonna put second bread piece on top of it. Dad, I need your help to put this sandwich in the oven. Can you help me?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Wow! Woohoo! Close this oven. Start. Ding, ding. Friends, sandwich will be ready in 5 minutes. So friends, while we are waiting for the sandwich to be done, till then we can sing a song for my mom. If you love your mom, clap your hands. If you love your mom, super much. If you love your mom, clap your hands. If you love your mom, stomp your feet. If you love your mom, stomp your feet. If you love your mom, then you should stomp your feet. If you love your mommy, stomp your feet. If you love your mom, say hooray. If you love your mom, do hooray. If you love your mom, if you love your mom, stomp hooray. Woohoo! Sounds. Ding! It's ready! Ready! Check it! I think it's ready!
Okay, let me check.
Ding! Wow!
Yeah, it's ready.
Woohoo!
Oh, it's too hot. Wait.
I think my mom will love this!
Yes.
Wow! Super heavy. Wow! Yeah, too yummy! My mom will love this juice too and this bread. Wow. Yeah. My mom will love this. Woo! Putting right here. This is a heart. Oh, I forgot one thing. This card. My mom will love this card. Done. It's looking so yummy. Mom, I need your help because I got one surprise for you.
I'm coming.
So friends, share how you're celebrating your Mother's Day. Bye-bye. See you later with a new video. I love you all. Please subscribe, like, and share for more fun.